Today we're gonna be teaching you how to make 5 classic shooters every bartender should know. Do you know these cocktails?
I know them. I made them.
You better.
So if you're a bartender, these 5 shots are something that you need to know how to make. If you are a bar patron, these are 5 shots that you could order because all bartenders know how to make it. These are simple and delicious. If you want to make them at home, go to bottlerover.com and get some booze delivered to your door.
Get into it, yeah. This is the baby Guinness. There ain't nothing baby about it. It's so good.
So this one got its name because it looks like a baby Guinness beer. Aww. Like, it's so cute.
And it's so yummy.
What I love about this one is that it's only 2 ingredients. There's no shaking involved. All you need is some Kahlua and some Baileys. That's it.
Ta-da. Fill your shot glass 2/3 of the way with coffee liqueur. You can use Cafe Patron, that's fire. Any coffee liqueur, really. Next, grab a spoon and carefully layer your Baileys on top of your coffee liqueur.
And there you have it. The yummiest of our 5 shooters, in my opinion.
Oh yeah.
A good little pick-me-up shooter.
Next up, the Kamikaze.
So I have a really fun way to remember all of the ingredients for this shot.
Oh yeah?
It goes along with the name Kamikaze.
Okay.
Very tragic landing. The V in very stands for vodka, the T in tragic stands for triple sec, and the L in landing stands for lime juice.
Genius.
You'll never forget it. First add a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, next a 1/2 ounce of triple sec, and last 1 ounce of vodka. Shake it up and pour it into a shot glass. And that's it. 3 ingredients, so simple, and you'll never forget it. Very tragic landing.
Boom.
No pun intended. Next up, we have the Washington apple shot.
It's yummy. It tastes like candy.
Yeah.
It tastes like a piece of candy.
So for this shot, you're gonna need some Crown Royal, some sour apple schnapps, and some cranberry juice. All bars have all of these ingredients. Very easy to make.
Go in with 1 ounce of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of sour apple pucker, and 1 ounce of Crown Royal.
So if you don't have Crown, and I'm kind of like, I don't know, what bar doesn't have Crown at this point? Any Canadian whiskey will do.
Shake it up and strain it right into your shot glass. A classic. It's been around since I was a baby.
The green tea shooter. This one is, I would say, fairly newer. It's more of a new school shot. She is in high demand right now.
She's the it girl. Here's what you're gonna need for the green tea shot. Jameson, peach schnapps, lemon juice, simple syrup, and some Sprite. Now this shot is known to be made with Jameson, but you can use any Irish whiskey, but they might look at you crazy. So use Jameson if you have it. If not, it's fine.
First add a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, then add a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Your bar may carry sour mix. You can replace the simple syrup and lemon juice and use that instead. Make your life easier. 1 less bottle. 1 ounce of peach schnapps, and then 1 ounce of Jameson. Give it a really good shake, strain it into your shot glass, and top it with a splash of Sprite.
Tastes like a peach summer tea.
Is this Arizona iced tea?
A little boozy-fied.
Now these shots are notoriously fat. We have it in a shot glass here, but I recommend maybe putting this in a little bit of a bigger glass because you want to give the customer a bang for their buck.
They also will probably tip you because they'll think that it's more alcohol or something.
Yeah, they'll think it's more alcohol, but really it's just a fat shot. There's just a lot of stuff in it, and it's yummy.
It's a good one.
They're gonna want all of it, every last drop.
The lemon drop, this is one of the most made shots in my opinion.
Of all time. This is a classic shooter. It's been around as long as I can remember and it's not going anywhere. I make these at least once a week.
Like at least once every shift.
You gotta know it.
You gotta
know it. The people want it. Let's find out how to make these lemon drops. To make a lemon drop, you're gonna need some sugar, a lemon wedge for a garnish, some simple syrup, lemon juice, and absolute citron. So these are traditionally made with absolute citron, but if you don't have it, it's okay, you can still make it. Some people will switch out the citron for some regular vodka and just make it like that. Some people will do regular vodka and add a little bit of triple sec. Try it at home, mix it up, figure out what works best for you. What do you think is delicious?
Here's how you make the recipe that we like. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 1 ounce of absolute citron. Shake it up and pour it over your sugar-rimmed shot glass. A lemon wedge as a garnish.
An oldie but goodie.
A vodka lover's dream shot.
Keep it in your arsenal. So these are 5 of the most popular shots that we make behind our bar. If you like this video and you want to see more, give us a like.
Yeah, and also, subscribe or whatever.
Thank you.